everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a sexy and creepy vampire Halloween makeup tutorial. If you wanna know how did I achieve this look, please keep watching. I already moisturized my face and done my eyebrows off camera. So moving on to my primer, I'm using the Minimize Pores from Smashbox and I'm only applying on my T-zone area. For foundation, I'm using Revlon in light beige and I'm gonna blend with my damp beauty blender. For my concealer, I'm using the Revlon stick. You may not be able to see it clearly on screen, but it's gonna be in my description box below. And I'm applying under my eyes, bridge of my nose, a little bit on my forehead, laugh line, cupid bow, and my chin. Now I'm going to blend my concealer with my damp beauty blender. To set my concealer, I'm using the setting powder from Derma Blend. For this look, I'm going to have heavy contour, so I'm going to apply a little bit of cream contour first, and I'm using this stick from Anastasia. And I'm going to apply under my cheekbone, side of my forehead, my nose, and my jawline. And I'm gonna blend with my beauty blender. For my eye primer, I'm using the primer from Kiss and I'm going to apply a little bit of product and blend it from the lid up to the brow, also applying a little bit on my lower eyelid. To set my primer, I'm using the light shade from Anastasia and applying all over my eyelid. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take the mid-toned neutral color and I'm gonna apply it to the crease, and I'm using the palette from Juvia's. Now I'm going to take the dark brown shade and applying over to crease as well. For my inner and outer corner of my eyelid, I'm going to apply black eyeshadow and blend it slightly into the crease area. Then I'm gonna blend my crease with a blending brush. As I want to keep the center of the lid free of product, I'm going to take some concealer and going to apply on center of my eyelid, and I'm gonna blend out with my finger. Now I'm gonna blend my crease one more time with the blending brush. I'm going to place the red color on my center of my eyelid and blend it into the inner and my outer corner. I'm taking the blending brush again and going to blend my crease one more time. I'm going to use the same color on my lower eyelid as well with the pencil top brush. For my waterline, I'm using the kajal from L'Oreal, also applying close to my lash line. I'm going to take the same red color and I'm going to apply on my lower eyelid, and also going to blend the kajal at the same time with my pencil top brush. To highlight my inner corner and my brow bone, I'm using the shimmery shade from Anastasia. Now I'm applying the winged eyeliner and I'm using the liner from Sephora. Moving on to my false eyelashes, I'm using the falsies from Kiss. For mascara, I'm using the Marc Jacob and I'm applying on my top and my bottom lashes. To set my cream contour, I'm going to mix both medium and dark shade from Kat Von D and I'm going to apply on my cheekbones and my jawline. For my blush, I'm using the palette from Sephora and I'm using the light pink shade and applying on apple of my cheeks. To contour my nose, I'm only using the medium shade and applying with my beauty blender. And now I'm going to blend out with my finger. To highlight my high points, I'm using the palette from Huda Beauty and I'm going to apply base highlighter first. And to set the base, I'm gonna use white pearl powder and applying over my base highlighter. Moving on to my lips, I'm using the lip palette from Anastasia. First, I'm going to line my lips with black lip color. And then I'm going to fill my whole lips with the red shade. Now I'm going to create a widow peak hairline and I'm using the gel eyeliner. First I'm going to parting my hair in the middle, then I'm going to draw a line like a V shape with my flat angle brush. Then I'm going to fill in the gap. Moving on to my vampire fangs and I'm going to place it on my teeth. Now I'm going to place some blood right in the corner of my mouth and I'm gonna drag it down towards my jawline. Last but not least, I used the setting spray off camera and that completes the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more videos. Till then, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.